Hello, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm back with another video. So it's about time for me to change the engine oil of my Himalayan, and yeah, I'm just gonna go get the engine oil from a store nearby, and then we'll DIY it, like do it ourselves. Right now it's 6:20 p.m. in the evening, and I'll see whether I'm gonna do it now or tomorrow morning, because if it's gonna get dark then the quality won't be that great, so I'll just do it tomorrow. But let's see. You guys must be wondering, where was I for about a month or so. So actually what went on in 1 month, I went to Kerala, I went to Kannur and Wayanad last month, and also went to Bangalore, but I was having a really tight schedule, so I couldn't really film any video.
The next day.
In this video I'm doing an oil change of my Himalayan BS6 2022, 2021, 2022, I don't know, not sure about that, but I bought it in 2021. So here I've got with me this Motul 5100 4015W50 engine oil, and I'm gonna change the engine oil today by myself. I'm making this video so that thinking that maybe it would be helpful for you guys. Actually the bike is a little dirty, don't mind that, because I just came for a ride and I have to wash it later after I'm done with this. So the tools that you need to do this is a 22mm spanner, 8mm and 8mm T-spanner, the engine oil itself, a small cone to fill the oil. I'm taking this hard paper bag so that I can make a passage for the engine oil from here to this container without spilling it anywhere else. And then you need this oil filter from Royal Enfield itself, and I'm taking this plastic. You'll see why I'm taking this plastic bag with me here. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start doing it. Let's get to work. So the first thing I have to, this is the bolt for opening the engine oil. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna place this here and see, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so hopefully this thing will drop the oil right into the container. Okay, I'm doing this for the first time, so I might not be so great at it. Okay. And my bike is a little hot right now because I just came back from a store. Oops. I knew it, but I was gonna mess it up, and oh no. I thought there would be enough for all that oil, but oh no. No worries, just a little bit of extra work. What did I do, man? and I have to unscrew this. It's okay, we all learn from our mistakes. I mean, we should.